Welcome everybody. Today we have the Captain America and the 2006 Ford Mustang GT unboxing, racing, and speed test. Here we have the Ford Mustang 2006 GT. I really like the design on this. It's not just the Captain America logo. It's got the stars, it's got the stripes, it's got the A, it's got the wings. The rims are really sick. It's got the Avengers logo. It's got the little Marvel license plate. You know, overall, very well designed. It is still just a basic, Mustang. There's nothing added to it specifically. But it is a very nice design. I do like it a lot. It is a very heavy car, so I think this one will do really well. I like the way that these wheels are made. The bearings are really nice. I think this car is going to do really well in the races. The figure that it comes with is also pretty cool. Nice little stance. A little bit hard to get him to just stand on his own, but very cool. First up, we got the Captain America speed test. We're going to see if he can hit 16 miles an hour. I think he can get it done. Super nice car, super stable. Not drifting side to side at all. Straight down the middle. No wobbles, nothing. This is a nice car. Get that top. We're at 12 miles an hour right now. 14. We are at 16 miles an hour. Captain America passes. Captain America and Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel's a 1973 Mustang Mach 1. Oh, tries to hit on Captain America, but Captain America wins. Alright, let's go against some other American cars. We got Dodge Hellcat and the Chevy Camaro. Let's see how the Mustang can hold up. Doing well here. Still right down the middle. Corvette on his own side. Fighting against the Hellcat. Looking pretty good so far. We're still speeding up. Wow, all of these cars super steady. Kinda unbelievable. Corvette starting to fall behind. Can't hold on. The Hellcat and the Mustang up. Oh, Mustang gets in front. Okay, up against some foreign cars now. We got the RX-7 Mazda. And we got the Mitsubishi. Oh, Mitsubishi getting the hit on the Mustang right away. Doesn't amount to much. All neck and neck again. 3 more really nice cars. All of them chilling so far. Wow. All of them doing really, really nice here. RX-7 falling. Oh, tries to hit the pin, fails. The Mustang get a repeat. Oh, it's a tie. Final round, Captain America versus Brian and Dawn. Mustang versus Supra and Charger. Let's see who gets the win here. Okay, doing well here. All 3 cars steady again. Every single car in this video so far are doing very, very well. Everyone's showing out their best for Captain America. Oh, crosses up. Wow, Captain is out. Okay, so final review for the car. For the looks, like I said before, I really love the design. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. Just because, again, it's just a regular, Mustang GT, but I do really love the artwork on it. On the speed test, 16 out of 16. It hit the top speed, so very well done. For the races, he did 2 wins, 1 tie, 1 loss. So that gives him an overall score of 26.5. Not too bad, Captain America. If you guys enjoyed this video, please comment what you guys thought of the car. What is your score for the car? Like the video, subscribe, all that stuff. And just remember, I love you guys all. Thanks for the support. And let me know what videos you want me to do next, what cars you want me to unbox and review next. See you in the next video, everybody.